All right, guys. So here we are in the Rossi Grows IoT wallet. So last night I forgot to claim or had some residual IoT rewards. So I'm gonna claim them. Claim them. Boom. In a second they'll come in. They'll land. So every day at 10 o'clock you get your IoTs for the day. So we took the 18. So I heard that Helium was pumping today. So I traded some of the IoTs for HNTs because right now they're pumping. So this is what you call a day trade or swing trade. So I traded my coins for another coin that's appreciating. Therefore, I was able to get a little bit more money back out the transaction, and it's like a washing machine cycle: wash, rinse, and repeat. And then once you learn the fundamentals and the formula, you can do this day in and day out. But the best part is that we're day trading with coins that we generated, meaning that we're not spending dollars to day trade and burn our money and lose it. So if you guys want to learn any of these skills, like and subscribe and stay tuned.